The mixer tap/bathroom faucet is an extremely common accessory in our household, and we use it almost every single day. The problem is that they will eventually fail due to the constant wear and tear, and in this video, we will learn how to fix them by simply replacing the cartridge that controls the water flow. This way it's cheaper than replacing the whole mixer, especially if the body of your mixer is still in good condition. Before carrying out the fix, you will need to cut off the water supply via the valve that is found under the basin. You would also want to block off the drainage to prevent any loose components from falling into it. Remove the hot-cold water indicator cap found on the handle. This will reveal a hidden Allen key screw that secures the handle to the cartridge. If you are unsure of the Allen key size to use, it is best to have a few sizes on standby to test which one fits. After unscrewing the screw, wriggle and pop off the handle and you would see the cartridge. There is a few more steps before you can actually remove the cartridge. Unscrew the crown using your hand, and if it's too tight, you can try opening it with a jar opener. Once that's done, you would see a large hexagonal fixture holding the cartridge in place. Use a spanner to loosen it, and you can finally get access to the cartridge. It can be quite tight, so do use a plier to pull it out if you face any trouble. All mixers are designed differently, and there is quite a lot of cartridge to choose from in the market. Your best bet is to remove the existing cartridge and then source for one that has a similar dimension. I tried to buy one of these in local hardware stores, but the few shops that I went to does not carry any of these cartridges at all. The one on the left is the existing cartridge, while the one on the right is what I bought from Shopee. Link in the description below. There is some slight difference in terms of its height, but the general build and the position of the holes and diameters are all the same. There are two protruding knobs on the cartridge positioned at 11 and 1 o'clock, and that has to fit into the socket found in your tab. Once in position, you can proceed with the assembly. Screw in the hexagonal fixture and then tighten it with the spanner. Do not tighten it too much as it might actually damage the cartridge. You would want to pause the assembly now and do a quick test to make sure that the tap is now working as expected, and that there is no water leakage around the hexagonal fixture. Next, we will hand tight the silver crown over the hexagonal fixture. Install the handle followed by fastening the screw to secure the handle to the cartridge control. Pop the water indicator right back onto the handle and you are done. I hope you liked this video and found it useful. Do consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.